हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड स्कूल ऑफ कंप्लीट एजुकेशन। और आज हम सीखने वाले हैं 6th स्टैंडर्ड का सिविक्स। राइट, सो सिविक्स आपके सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करता है, आपको पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बताता है। राइट, कि आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी कैसी बनती है, गवर्नमेंट कैसे फॉर्म होता है, और बहुत ज़्यादा आपको इसमें सीखने मिलता है। तो बच्चों, ध्यान से इन चैप्टर्स को सीखिए, आगे बढ़िए। और अगर आप पहली बार इस चैनल पे आ रहे हो तो तुरंत से हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और आगे बढ़ते जाइए। राइट, चलिए चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं।
Hello students, welcome to the Smart World or School of Education. Let's start reading Civic Chapter 5, District Administration. Five point one, the District Collectors. 5.2, the Chief of the District Police. 5.3, District Courts. We learnt about the Jilla Parishad, but there was no mention of the district collector. The newspapers always mention the district collector in the news. Our teachers will be able to tell us. My Didi says she wants to be a district collector. Do such questions occur to you too? The Jilla Parishad is a part of rural local government system. It means the Panchayat Raj system. But in Maharashtra, the administration of the district is shared by both the Jilla Parishad and district collector. The union government and state government both participate in this administration. 5.1, the district collector. The district collector is the head of district administration. He is appointed by the state government. He has to perform many functions, from collecting agricultural tax to maintaining law and order in the district. We can see what these functions are from the chart given below. Agriculture: to collect agricultural tax, to implement laws related to agriculture, to provide relief in case of drought and scarcity of food, law and order, establish peace in the district, to maintain social harmony, to restrict unlawful assembly, impose curfew if required. Election officer: to ensure smooth conduct of elections, to take necessary decisions related to the electoral process, to update the voters list. Disaster management: to take quick decisions during times of disaster and prevent or minimize the damage, to give orders to the disaster management units or cell, to rehabilitate or those affected by a disaster. Do you know why it is important to maintain social harmony? The difference of opinion, disputes and conflict in the society must be resolved by peaceful means. However, there does not happen, it gives rise to tensions. If this leads to violent incident, it disturbs social harmony. It acts as an obstacle on our progress. Public property is damaged. The district collector makes efforts to prevent such occurrence, but it is the duty of citizens also to help maintain social harmony. Tahsildar. There is Tahsildar for every taluka or tahsil. As a judicial officer, he gives judgments to resolve conflicts at the local level. The Tahsildar has the responsibility of maintaining peace and order in the taluka. 5.2, the Chief of the District Police. In Maharashtra, there is a superintendent of police at every district headquarters. He is the Chief Police Officer of the district. He helps district collector to maintain peace and order in the district. In the city, the police commissioner has the responsibility of maintaining law and order. The superintendent of Police inspecting a police unit. District administration. District collector, deputy district collector, Tahsildar, Talati, police party. Superintendent of police, deputy superintendent of police, police inspector, police sub inspector. District courts. The courts at the district level have to perform the function of resolving disputes, delivering judgments, and ensuring that conflicts are resolved at the earliest. The Constitution of India has established an independent judiciary. At the apex of that system is the Supreme Court of India. Below this are the high courts and below them the lower courts. These include district courts, taluka courts and revenue courts. A court in session. The court at the district level is known as district court. The district court has a chief district judge and some other judges. Their main function is to hear the various cases in the district and deliver the final judgment. One can appeal against the judgment of the taluka court in the district court. District court divided into civil judge and sessions judge. Civil judge for civil cases. Session judge are magistrate first grade and magistrate second grade. Magistrate second grade for criminal cases. Disaster management. Sometimes we have to face a calamity. It could be a natural disaster like floods, fires, a cloud burst, cyclone, earthquake, landslide, or problems like riots, bomb blasts, breaking of a dam, epidemics, etc. These disasters lead to loss of human life and displacement of people besides tremendous financial loss. Therefore, the issue of rehabilitation become important. Disaster management is a process which enables one to face a disaster in a specific and organized manner. The entire machinery of a district is involved in this process. Advances in technology make it possible for us to get prior information about several kinds of disasters. For example, a system which can predict and warn us of floods or storms has been developed. This helps us to be better prepared to face the disaster. Always remember, it is important to remain alert during a time of crisis. To face a disaster, one needs the help of people as well as different system and organization. In order to be able to contact them urgently, one should display the contact numbers of police, fire brigade, hospitals, bank bloods at a prominent place in the house. Tell your friends also to do the same. Do you know? In Maharashtra, many officers have made serious attempts to bring about reforms in the administration. Their experiments have helped to improve services provided by the citizens. This has helped the citizens to form a favorable opinion about the administration. As a result, their support to the administration and their participation in it has improved. A Lakhina pattern. In order to make the administration efficient and to increase the quality of public services available to citizens, Sri Anil Kumar Lakhina brought about many reforms when he was district collector of Ahmad, Ahmednagar district. There are known as the Lakhina pattern, standardization of work procedures, stated rules in simple language which could be understood by the people, etc. Where the administrative changes he introduced. He also started the single window system so that jobs that people came to do would be completely under one roof. Dalby pattern. The administrative reform implemented by Sri Chandrakant Dalvi when he was district collector of Pune district, are known as the Dalvi pattern. The objective of the reform was to speed up the decision making by ensuring that files were not allowed to stack up and they were dealt with on the same day that they were received. This pattern is also known as zero pendency pattern. It helped in bringing efficiency and speed into administrative work. Chahande pattern. When Dr. Sanjay Chahande was the divisional commissioner of Nashik, he implemented certain reforms which were now known as the Chahande pattern. In order to reduce the gap between the people and administration, to increase the accountability of the administration towards the people, and to prominentize the development work through people's participation, he implemented the Gramastha Din, Villagers' Day scheme. This is the appointed day when administrative officials and staff visit the village and establish a dialogue with people to understand their problems and help to resolve them. Answer in one sentence. Who heads the district administration? What is the responsibility of the Tahsildar? Which court is at the apex of the judiciary? Which disaster can we be forewarned about? Match the following. Group A. District Collector, District Court, Tahsildar. Group B. Taluka Magistrate, maintaining law and order, resolving disputes. Discuss the following issues. Disaster management functions of the District Collector. Which of the following positions would you like to be in and why? District Collector, Chief of the District Police, Judge. Activities. Visit the police station nearest to you and obtain information about the work that is done there. Make a chart of the different disasters showing what precautions are to be taken and important phone numbers. Display the chart in your class. Send New Year greeting to the District Collector, Chief of the District Police and District Judge. I hope you got this chapter. Thank you so much.
राइट बच्चों, तो कैसा लगा चैप्टर? मज़ा आया? वेरी गुड। तो हर एक चैप्टर को हमने बहुत मेहनत करके बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, तो आप ध्यान से उस चैप्टर्स को देखिए। अगर कुछ भी कमी लग रही है तो आप कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए, मैं उसको इम्प्रूव करूँगा। और साथ ही साथ में अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो विशेष भेजिए अपने टीचर्स के लिए, ताकि वो और मेहनत करें और अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोज़ आपके लिए बनाएं। राइट, तो इसी तरीके से आते जाइए, जुड़ते जाइए और आगे बढ़ते जाइए। ऑल द बेस्ट।